So today we are going to be doing this super pretty, very gypsy-esque makeup. I am so excited for this makeup. I love how it turned out, and I know a lot of you guys say that you're not really into this for everyday wear, but remember, Halloween's coming up and you can totally wear this for Halloween. But if you're anything like me, I will totally wear this out. Really quick, if you don't know me, if you are new here, my name is Josie. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. I hope you stay and hit that subscribe button down there. It's free and I post new videos every single week. And Glamoween this year is going to be a little bit earlier than what we're usually used to every year. If you guys are new here, Glamoween is when I upload tons and tons and tons of videos for Halloween time. Today I am working with a jewelry company and I am super excited. If you guys can see my pieces on right now, they are so pretty and I love how unique these earrings are. I have this bracelet as well. If you can see that, it's very dangly and it's just, I really like it a lot. And I really love how this has 3 tiers and how fine it is. I love fine jewelry and like petite jewelry, and I just really love this set of jewelry. Today I'm working with Luisa, and they are a jewelry company based online, and you guys, they have some really cute stuff. Super cute. If you guys are into like dainty necklaces or dainty earrings, they have so many. Also, they have things that aren't dainty as well, but I love dainty jewelry, and they had so many different things to pick from. The makeup that I'm doing today is actually inspired from these jewelry pieces. You guys can sign up with the link below. It's totally free for the membership, and you can check out all of their amazing jewelry. Alright guys, so we're going to be working with the Modern Renaissance palette. We're going to go in with this mauve pink color and put that into our crease. And then we are going to start to go in with the dark brown color and carve out our crease. I do this with a flat shader brush and use just the tip and blend it up towards where I want it to blend to, if that makes sense. Then once I have that blended up, I go in with a fluffy brush to blend it out even more, and I just keep packing that brown color on until I am happy with how dramatic it is. Then we're going to move on, and I'm going to run that underneath my eyes with the mauve light color and then the dark brown color as well. And then taking a light cream color, I'm going to then apply that underneath my brows and blend that down into my crease. And then we're going to move on to the fun part. I am taking Stila's Magnificent Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Monarch, and we are cutting the crease. And I'm sorry about my background. It keeps moving because my cat's like playing on it, and I didn't realize that they were playing on it when I was filming this. But anyway, once you have your crease cut with the Monarch, I'm going to go in with Gold Goddess, and we are going to start to fan that out into a triangle shape underneath our eye. Once we have the opacity that we want, I'm going in with some lash glue, and I'm going to do some dots and let that dry, and then I'm going to take some chunky glitter. They are like circles, and I feel like they really matched well with the jewelry that I'm wearing, and we're going to glue those on. Once that is done, we are going to tight line and do our wing. And then we're going to take that deep brown again, and we are just going to emphasize the cut crease with a small detail brush. And then we are going to add the chunky glitter on top of our eyelid as well. Alright, and then we are going to go in with Kat Von D's Damned, and this is like a really pretty dark purpley red. It's almost like a black cherry. It's one of my favorites, and we are going to put that on and then move on to the chunky pieces of glitter on our lips. And then we're going to pop on a scarf and then go into the Kat Von D Metal Crush
highlighter palette, and we are going to mix the pink and the corally orange color and highlight our face and our collarbones, and then we are finished.
Alright guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming this for y'all, and it's just, I haven't done anything like this on my channel for a while, and I am so happy with how this turned out. If you did like it, please don't forget to give it a like and a share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. It's that red button down there, and if you press that button and then press the little bell notification on next to it, you'll never miss another one of my videos. If you guys want to check out these Ana Luisa pieces that I have on right now that I am obsessed with, I will give you a link down in the description below to go check them out. They have amazing jewelry. The quality is just very nice. Like, look how shiny that is. They have like things that you wouldn't see every day, which I really enjoy. Every product is handcrafted with Ana Luisa, and that is so amazing. All the jewelry on their website is limited quantities, so you know you're getting something that not everyone has. And the pieces that they create you can wear every single day. Ana Luisa's designers have also worked with really amazing celebrities such as Ralph Lauren and Tory Burch, which is really awesome. When I seen these pieces on their website, I really thought like free spirit, gypsy-esque. Is that a word? Well, if it's not, I just made a word up. I love fine jewelry, and it's very light but very well made, and these look really heavy, but honestly, they're not at all. So I'm super excited with the pieces that I chose and how they look. I will be wearing these a lot. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Also have a discount code for you guys. It's Josie15, and you get $15 off of your first purchase if you want to save a little money. Again, the link will be down below.